always partner with the right people, because with the right people you find the right answer even if you're on the wrong track.
Hi, and welcome to Dog and Pony. I'm Zoriana Kitt. Small businesses are a big trend, but not everyone who starts one can afford a top-dollar lawyer for their paperwork. John Suh, CEO of LegalZoom.com, has dedicated his career to making top-notch legal advice available to everyone. John, welcome.
Thank you, Zoriana.
So what kind of advice does LegalZoom.com give?
Well, we really provide innovative legal solutions to small businesses and families at a fraction of the cost of using a lawyer. So you can incorporate your company, get an LLC, get a trademark, a provisional patent, or a will, or a living trust. So there's 80 products and services for small businesses and families. Currently, about 1 million Americans visit our site each month. We field hundreds of thousands of phone calls from small businesses and families that are searching for a solution for their common legal needs. All we do is really listen to them, ask them what they need, what they can't find in the current market, and then we develop a product around that. So by staying very close to the customer, we've branched out into other product areas and refined our existing products.
Wow. So where do you get the resources to provide your clients?
If you're going to do a living trust, we may get 6 living trusts from lawyers with 25 years of living trust experience, and we may pay an arm and a leg for those documents. But if we sell 50,000 living trusts, we can take $10,000 per document 5 times over and spread it out across those, and it's $1 per document. And then we can provide those documents to customers at a fraction of the cost.
What sends customers to your website?
Well, I think the #1 complaint against lawyers is they don't return phone calls. And the #1 problem that customers have in finding a lawyer is they don't know where to start. The Yellow Pages is not a very good solution. So give me 300 names and I'll just dial for dollars and see what happens. So most people don't know where to start. They think it's too complex and they think it's too expensive. So we really specialize in legal solutions that are affordable and convenient, of very high quality.
So do you have a competitive website that you guys are vying with for clients?
We're the largest provider of legal services online by a huge margin. So, for example, in trademarks, we filed more trademarks than the top 15 law firms in the country combined.
Wow.
We're now doing probably 1 in 20 provisional patents, and we're the largest filer with the USPTO by a huge amount. So in almost every product category, we're #1, online or offline, in transactional market.
All right, so now we're going to play a game called None of Your Business, and I'm going to ask you a series of questions, and you can either answer them or tell me it's none of my business.
Okay.
So the more you answer, the more bragging rights you have.
Fire away.
All right, have you ever thought about going to law school?
Yes.
But what happened?
I'm an entrepreneur. I've always been an entrepreneur. My parents are the ones that wanted me to be a lawyer, and I thought about getting my JD MBA, and then I talked to everyone that was on the program, and they said, I've never used the law degree. Everyone used their MBA. And at the end of the day, I knew I was born to be an entrepreneur, and I would be unhappy doing anything else.
Do you use a personal lawyer, or do you always use LegalZoom?
No, LegalZoom is only really focused on a segment of legal needs. But as the leader in the legal space, we've increasingly found people are turning to us as the first place they turn to for everything. So we're moving, and you see the future of LegalZoom is moving to attorney-assisted services. So if we can't provide it using our business model, we'll connect you to the person that's most able to help you and at least give you a referral. So now we're connecting people to lawyers for a variety of services. And for a lot of what we do, for example, tax law, of course I'm going to need a lawyer. That's not something that we can provide.
Well, then lawyers are going to want to be in business with you guys, or at least be on your good side.
Absolutely. We actually, as we mentioned, we have a lot of lawyers as customers. And now we're connecting a lot of our customers to lawyers. So
what's a piece of advice you wished you had listened to before starting your businesses?
So the first rule of entrepreneurship is about people. Always partner with the right people, because with the right people you find the right answer even if you're on the wrong track out of the gate. And over the years, there's a couple times where I chased an opportunity and partnered with someone or a group that you had reservations about, and that always came back to bite you. I mean, a lot of starting a business is a marriage, and I started 7 companies with one guy, the 2 of us together as an incubator. When I branched out and as I progressed in my career, sometimes an opportunity comes that looks fantastic, But if it's the wrong person with different ethics or a different perspective, it's like a marriage. It'll never work, and there's no point in starting, no matter how great the opportunity sounds.
Thank you for playing none of your business. John Suh, CEO of LegalZoom.com, thank you so much for joining
thank you.
us. If you have questions, comments, or ideas for guests, please email info@dogandpony.com. I'm Zoriana Kitt. Thanks for watching.